Alright guys, what I'm doing right here is trying out a test of the microphones, or I should say the microphone array that's in the new Macbook Pro 16. What I have right now, the microphone that you're listening to is out of your Gopro HERO 6, I believe it is. Which is, kind of a crappy mic. That's what you're listening to now. What I'm going to do is switch back and forth between the MacBook 16 microphones and the GoPro Hero, and as well as a Yeti mic that I have set up over here. I think it's a blue Yeti microphone, which is a pretty decent microphone just for general usage. So we're going to go ahead and just I guess I'm just going to keep talking, and I will just put an annotation up on the screen so you can tell what microphone you're actually listening to at the time. But as this had started at the GoPro. So anyways, in the meanwhile, my next video, what I plan to do is I just installed Boot Camp. I guess they do have the drivers already for the new AMD graphics cards, which is really nice. So I did install on the MacBook, I did install Boot Camp. It's in the computer now. I also installed Steam and PUBG, because the next test that I want to do in the next video will be a gaming test. I do play PUBG fairly regularly, maybe twice or three times a week, just to let off a little steam. It is a game that I like to play. And so far I haven't found a decent laptop that is a professional looking laptop, not one of the gaming things that looks like you show up at a gaming convention. I'm just looking for I did have the Razer Blade 15, which was pretty nice. It did play games well. It had the higher refresh rate screen, but I just love Mac operating system, and without trying to take one of the laptops and convert it into a Hackintosh project, which you're going to have things that won't work. It's nice to start with a Mac and then go from there. So also my voice is, I am getting over a sickness as well here, just so you know. So it might sound a little bit off just because of that, but this is a good test of the microphones. I think you should be able to determine the quality between the three. Between the blue Yeti, the MacBook Pro with the new microphones, and the GoPro camera microphone, which we all know is not very good. I don't have anything else to compare it to at this point, so at least between those three, that'd be something. And like I said, I'll have a gaming video coming up with PUBG. Oh, where I was going with that is I went to log in and I was going to start playing to try it out to see what kind of frame rates we get. And the server is down right now, so I'm going to try it again. Hopefully the server's back up and running within the hour, and I'll get a video up of playing some PUBG and the frame rates at a couple of different screen resolutions, and we'll see what we get. Hopefully this helps somebody out deciding if they want to get one of these new computers. All right, have a good one.